Technology is constantly evolving in a rapidly changing world, and software changes are unavoidable. If you stop to think about it, you will realize how important maintenance work is for keeping software running. Without proper support, your favorite software on the market may have gone extinct. Readability is extremely important in software development for making software accessible and maintainable. So, how do you ensure that the communication goals of your code are delivered to other developers? The first step is to create clear documentation. If you follow this practice, you will be able to confidently communicate your work. Okay, let's take a look at some different ways to document your Dart code base. Code commenting is best suited for comments that you do not want to include in your general documentation. A common example is a simple code snippet on the screen with the comment "not if there is nothing before it." A block comment can be used to temporarily comment out a section of code, but all other comments should be preceded by a double forward slash like this. Block comments should not be used for code documentation. Another popular method of documentation is doc comment. Any comment that appears before a declaration and employs the special forward slash syntax fall into this category. For instance, if we were to write a doc comment for a getter variable username, it would look like this. In most cases, I strongly advise you to use this method for documenting class members and types. They can assist you in understanding private members called from other parts of your code. Let's take a look at how to use doc comment for a getter variable in an efficient manner. Our comment in this block of code emphasizes what the property is. In this case, the caller is more concerned with the outcome of the operation than with the operation itself. Markdown is a final documentation style that I would recommend. This formatting is permitted in your document comments. Many developers prefer to use Markdown for everything. Guess what? I'm no different. While Markdown is excellent for clean documentation, avoid using it excessively. Okay, let's take a look at Markdown use case in a doc comment. Assume you want to describe a concept with a block of code. Your Markdown formatting will look like this. The backtick syntax before the word Dart avoids indentation issues while also allowing you to indicate the language of the code. The most common reason for undocumented code is a lack of time. When projects are rushed, one of the first steps that is skipped is the documentation. If you make an effort to properly document your next project, its lifespan will be extended by a few years. So, document everything.